During the Hoover administration, the enforcement of prohibition marked a pivotal moment in U.S. history, with $50 million allocated for enforcement, significantly impacting society and law enforcement dynamics. The Prohibition era emerged in the 1920s due to social reform movements, led by figures like Carrie Nation, with the Volstead Act shaping enforcement and intensifying the struggle against alcohol. Under Hoover, law enforcement appropriations increased significantly, with the Treasury and Justice Departments playing crucial roles in enforcement, emphasizing the importance of additional funding requests to combat prohibition violations effectively. The $50 million appropriations included allocations of $10 million for the Justice Department, $20 million for the Prohibition Bureau, and $5 million for the Customs Service, with the Coast Guard enhancing its dry fleet. Prohibition Commissioner James R. Doran aimed to hire 400 additional dry agents to address staffing shortages, recognizing the urgent need for expansion amid the challenges faced by current enforcement levels. Key enforcement efforts focused on New York Harbor, crucial for smuggling, and strategically placed agents along the Canadian border, chosen for their high risk of illegal alcohol trafficking. In summary, the $50 million appropriations for prohibition enforcement were pivotal.